You guys see who? 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 You guys see who
Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Good morning, beloved. Nice to see you here. Alex, hello, my friend. How you doing? Mario, good morning, my friend. Good morning from Lakeland, Florida. Kevin, how you doing, my friend? Good morning, everyone. Oh, I said good morning to myself. Sarah Van, good morning, brother. Love from India. Love from Brazil, man. Rob Shap, like Leo. Oh, already coming in, dropping the like. Yeah, that's crazy. Yo, you have helped me many Mondays make great money. I need it again today. Okay. You're making more money than me, I gotta be honest. That first sip of coffee in the morning, there's nothing like it, guys. Let's see what happened overnight. I think I stopped trading around here. Yeah, it gave a nice pullback after that. I stopped trading around here. It broke everything. Let's see. Extension, it's F9. Two. Yeah, it broke the Trump news. Was here. This is the Trump news level. Yeah, man, the people are very bullish on NASDAQ. Hazelnut coffee with hazelnut creamer. Ooh, I love the ice hazelnut coffee. Yeah, there's a Trump conference today. He's going to brag. Like I've like today. It's basically it's nice. They recovered those two soldiers. Like that's actually good news, but you know how it is. At the open, big push up, big push down, touch the gap. There's a trend line, I think, to be watched. Kinda like this. Yeah, not liking it. Yeah, I guess London is closed, so like it's probably not going to move at all. Like oil, I don't think it's going to move much. Yeah, this candle right now has almost zero volume still. Like it just opened though. And the oil dropped down hard. Yeah, guys, I think it's going to be a very, very boring session. Good morning, Daniel. There's a very big chance this is a very boring session. I saw your last night's session had over 7,000 viewers. Yeah, I was very impressed with that. I guess we're doing something right. People are showing up. I think we got almost 100. I don't know how many subscribers, but we switched the number up. That was very nice. I was very happy. Yeah, it's like it's you guys, you know. Would you go short from here? Probably. Would I go short from here? Brother, I don't know. I'm not feeling it right now. Like it's a like it just inverted the you know, the highs and lows. What's good, Lena? Yeah, I'm not feeling the shorts from here, man. I'm really not. There's a lot of buyers on those wicks down there. Still grinding up, big belly button. Yeah, still grinding up. It's kind of crazy. Like I guess just inverted the ups. The direction of the highs and lows, you know. Like I think if we track this, like maybe this is a good short. Let's see. The EMAs just crossed over to the downside, you know. that does not mean much right now, because we are pushing up like very strongly, like that the buyers are controlling this 100%. Maybe after all this push overnight, it's a like almost, man, more than 300 points, 400 points. This is, guys, 400 points push up on the overnight session. It's a lot. Split striker, how you doing, my friend? Did you got some sleep, bro? Managed to get a few good trades in London. I guess there was volatility. I think the opening candle is this one right here. This one right here. Gave a little push down and reverted all the way back up, more than 200 points. What platform am I using? It's called Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader. Right now, maybe it's the best short of the day, man, because we are trading on the 373, like we just traded into the 370 area, and we're trading like at the 21 EMA of the 1 minute of the daily chart. Right here, we're trading at the 21 EMA of the daily chart. Like, look at this right here. Like, this was the only day that it broke and it came back instantly the next day. So maybe this is one of the best places to take a short for the whole day, but we never know. Like, this pushes up right here, like this candle, and the continuation is kind of scary. But this is the breaking point, so maybe we see some rejection. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, never know. You got the 21 daily at 295. Yeah, I don't know. This is the 5 minute, man. When do I see the cross of the EMAs as a signal? After a few candles closed. Yeah, the more the better, but what I see is like it's a, how can I say, let me find a word, is a confluence of more than one thing, you know. Just the EMA's crossing means nothing. It needs to have a confluence of things. Like right now, the confluence that I'm seeing, like it's the lower highs. We did like, let's say we did like this pattern right here, and we broke to the downside. You know, we broke this pattern to the downside, let's say. Like, this is a sign. We're doing lower highs. This is a sign. We didn't break this low right here, so this is a bad sign. Like, there's buyers. Look at this candle. There's buyers at this level. So maybe we're doing another little pattern formation. But like, this is enough. With the EMAs crossed, this is enough for me to get more comfortable shorting, taking shorts. around here, then taking longs. If it starts delivering like this to the upside, then I will be like comfortable taking longs again, even though the EMAs are to the downside. I would, like on a normal trading day, I would take a short here and wait it out. You know, that's what I would do. Man, I'm not gonna trade my fund that's on this market right here. But if you guys are cool, I would trade the
order filled,
the simulator, you know, just as like something educational. Like on a normal trading day, I would do a trade like this
order submitted,
and then wait to see if it breaks to the downside, you know. Like this is this is a 18 points risk to a reward of, if it goes like to half of this push right here, if it goes to half,
order submitted,
it's a 2-to-1 or more risk to reward trade. And if it's not going down, I give like 18 points.
order filled,
Oh my god. Absolute cinema. Buy my cars.
order cancelled,
That's it, guys. Absolute cinema. Buy my cars. $10,000. DJ U, bro. I'm doing fine, and you? How you doing? How was the weekend? Czar, good morning, my friend. It's not showing man. Okay. See? Easy money. 40 points. Let me see if I can do this right here. What was that? I don't even know, man. Mr. Trump. Maybe he woke up. You guys know the drill. It just came in. Attack on Iran. Attack on Iran South Pars petrochemical facility in Asaluya. So we just got an attack on a petrochemical facility. That's not good. That's an escalation. Like funny thing, yeah, oil gave a spike. You got profits? Yeah, I just got my profits. The shorts was the right answer, I guess, with the news. See how easy it is to predict where price is going? Buy my course, $10,000. Link on the description. Split striker 100%. Like, if you switch to any time frame higher than the 5, if you switch to the 15 minutes, it's just a pullback on the EMAs. But, oh my god, what I did. Like I said, it's a confluence of things. Like, for price, like let me see if it makes sense to you guys. For price to start going down, or for price to start going up, to switch sides, it doesn't switch first on the 60 minutes or the 15 minutes. The first time frame that is going to switch to the downside is the 1 minute. And if you look at that moment on the 5, it doesn't seem like it's switching. But if it continues, then the next time frame that you're going to see that it's switching is the 5. And you know, and it's so on and so forth. By the moment that the 60 minutes looks like it's switching to the downside, the price already went like 100 points in your favor. You're like, you miss out on the trade. So for you to catch a trend reversal, or for you to catch a moment that price is switching sides or delivering to the other side, you have to catch it on the smaller time frames. Like, you know, you have to take that risk. On the 1 minute, like, I guess price, in my opinion, price switched to the downside over here. Whenever it broke this trend line, the EMAs, it was already doing lower highs, it did lower lows. Like, this is price action going down. But if you look at this moment, 651 on the 5 minutes, it does not look like it's going down, you know? It's this candle right here. But after it went down and you start looking over here, you see, maybe you see like, oh, in the 5 minutes now it's going down, but it already dropped like 80 points, you know? So for you to catch trend reversals or like big pullbacks, you have to take a risk. Like, you're going to take a trade that doesn't make sense on higher time frames. For the time that like a 15-minute chart is showing you that it's reversing, it already went, you know. You're going to pay a higher stop loss price to catch it on higher time frames. The beauty of catching trades on the smaller time frames is that the stop loss is very small, but the rewards, if you're right, is the same as the higher time frames, you know. Any news? Yeah, I just read the news. No way, I just decided to blindly follow you that short and instantly smash my take profit for $2,000 within 20 seconds. Bro, send me 1,000, man. What is up with that? You guys are making more money than me. I made 80 bucks. Like, on that huge candle, I made 80 bucks on a simulated account, bro. It was not even a funded. Mechanics, this isn't Pasha. Yeah. You guys are going to have to deal with me. This is Monday. I think Pasha has Bible study, so you guys are going to have to deal with me even more. This is Brazilian Pasha, 100%. We're all brothers. Man, where are you reading the news? Like, where do you find it? There's a link, man, in the description. It's called Financial Juice. I'm gonna tell you a secret that is going to change your life. Hit that link and your mind will be like exploded, man. Beloved, in my opinion, Leo has like a 90% accuracy rate. I really do. I really think I do. But I don't make money 90% of the time. That's the problem. That's the real thing. Let's put this gap here just to be funny. Yeah, now the price action is all messed up. Like, now it really made lower highs, lower lows, but the lower lows was with the news candle. Yeah, sometimes they post the news, and sometimes, like, I don't know if they are redacting it and it just like it disappears, but then it comes back. That's why if you want for it to work like 100%, the paid version is the best version. I think you can get a period for free and then you pay like for the monthly, or you can get like the full discount. I don't know. What kind of Bible studies does Pasha have? I don't know, man. I think it's like, you asking what he's studying? I don't know. Like right now, I don't know. You got point. It's back with a screenshot of charts now. Did not understand DJ Urban, but oh guys. Ah, okay, understood. It's back. The post is back on Financial Juice with a screenshot of the charts. Yeah, they always do that. Yeah, 100%. To show like what happened to charts once the news came out. US dollar index, like it's already going back all the way, like it's going to sweep probably the high of this candle right here. That's my opinion. User, you're going to use MACD, and I don't know what that is. What the Atar explosion strategy? I don't know what that is. Mahmoud, this is Ninja Trader, but it's looking like Trading View, isn't it? But it's Ninja Trader. I'm not in a sharp, brother. I took a short right around here, and I got blasted with the drop. Took this as exactly short right here. I took exactly this trade right here, but like it went in my favor because of the news. I have no merit on it. I think the merit is that I was reading price right, but the news could be like inverse then. Stop me out. It was how it's so clean. Yeah, you just have to take some time to configure it, like choose the right colors, choose like I learned this color combination of green and black from the Mr. ICT guy. The real deal, the last of our kind, and I really liking it. You just have to choose like some colors that match. I don't know. It's clean because you guys cannot see the bar on the right side. I don't know why, but Ninja Trader and OBS, they have a problem with each other. They don't work well together. And man, every time that I'm going to start the stream, I have to manually configure again and again and again Ninja Trader on OBS every time. Now I kind of understand what's the problem, and I do it like fast. But on the first streams, man, was a pain. It was really a pain. Tomorrow is gonna probably drop when Trump talks. Drag, I think it's today. I don't know if to trust price action now with the news, brother. Like, what you can do is read the charts the best way you can. Take the best trades that you can when the trades make sense. Put the stop loss at the right place, and like brace for impact. You know, that's the reality of it. Like, if it goes your way without news dropping, you're blessed. If when news drop, price goes your way, you're blessed. And if it goes against you, you get stopped out. That's basically it. Mr. Patrick, what was the news? A petrochemical facility of Iran got attacked. there's no, I don't, there's no like, it's not saying by who, but like it doesn't really matter by who at this point. But yeah, Drake, I think it's on the Trump is on the fourth ultimatum in this war. Like he gave them like he gave them like 24 hours, then he gave them like 2 days, then he gave them like a week, and now he's giving them 2 days again. You're welcome, Mr. Patrick. If you want to see the news, there's a link on the description. It's called Financial Juice, or you can type on your Google Financial Juice and you get to where I got the news. Someone yesterday was hearing the tick strike. I guess the guy was joking, but he did a whole like, he sent a comment on the chat like attention guys, this stream is using something to like some hypnotic ticking sound to make you guys stay here. Like I think he was serious, brother. It was just tick strike, you know. I don't know if any one of you guys saw that. The timing of these news are really, yeah, man. It's always. Chuchu. My dog woke up. A lot of sellers. A lot of sellers on the ass. Yeah, this price action right now, no bueno, guys. It's really no bueno. It's really no bueno. It's very hard to make anything out of it. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, guys, almost at 50 likes. Nice. Thank you. Let's see what gold is doing. Not fun. Push the like button if you love Leo. Yeah. Maybe even if you don't like me, you can push the like button. Or you can hit the dislike. It doesn't show anyway. Leandro, good morning, my friend. How you doing? Yeah, there's no way I can trade this right now. No way. I guess I can just, like, I can take trade, like, guys, hear me out. I'm going to trade the simulated account and I'm gonna be reckless with it. Okay, let's go.
Order filled.
Right now is a coin toss, 100%.
Order
Let's
submitted.
test the power of the EMAs, guys. Yes, it's a chart. I switched it up to the 1 minute and I enter a chart. Like whenever it's red right here, it's because it's a short. If it's green, it's because it's a long.
Order submitted.
There's no TP on the screen. This is the 9 and the 21 exponential moving average, my friend DJ Urban. Guys, disclaimer, I'm not trading my fundeds here. I'm trading like simulated account. The London stock exchange is closed, so I'm not trading serious right now. This is just for like educational purposes. Don't take it serious. Like I'm sure someone will come in like, ooh, look at the trade the guy's taking. Every time they do that. I'll try to trade like with the EMAs and that's it, you know. I'm taking a short at 304, and I'm trying to add at 308 and 311. J-Rod, the stream has almost 1 hour now. I came in like 40 minutes later than usual on the stream. Just because like London, like the normal time that I would come in was around here, like from here forwards. I guess it moved a little bit, but this is the 1 minute. Time flies. Yeah. I'm a beast, yeah. Akash, good morning, my friend. I don't know what time is it. Let's see if I can lock in 30 points.
Order submitted.
Good morning, Jamie. How you doing? User 100%. His stream will begin 1 hour before New York session. So mine will land, and you guys today is going to get like instant redirect to his stream, and he's popping in like 1 hour before. Daily day trade. What was the news on that 6:50 a.m. drop? Petrochemical facilities on Iran got hit. That was the drop. Oil gave it all back, and Q is trying to not do that. On a normal trade, I would have taken profit, but as I said, educational purposes. Let's try to ride these EMAs down as much as possible.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Where's VWAP, Big Belly? I don't have VWAP on my screen. Like in the US, it's nice that you guys can't openly trade on YouTube. Like, to be honest, that's really nice.
Order filled.
Like in Brazil, if you do what I'm doing right now, like if I trade like an index from Brazil on YouTube, like if I trade on my cash account or even in a simulated account, if I openly trade it, I'm for sure getting fined by the SEC or SEC, 100%. I know guys that got fined like 50,000, like $10,000 for doing this, or even more, you know. Like you cannot do that. You have to have a like a certification from the like, I don't even know from where. And you can only trade like simulated accounts, and you have to report all the trades that you taking on the screen. You're holding till VWAP 225, okay. Yeah, VWAP must be far. Níveis Gama Brazil. Yeah, bro. I like my accent is like it gives away. The 15, it's trading below the 21, but we are still trading inside that news candle. The 60 minutes now is touching the 9, so it's basically a buying point on the 60 minutes, like the 1 hour chart. I think the sound is buyers. I should have taken another entry here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order filled. Order submitted.
This right here is not good. Look at this. Like this is a like manipulation of lows, and this is an inversion of new highs. So on the 1 minute, the short is a no-go. On the 2 minute chart, it's still a go, you know. But it's the same thing. Look, like it's a sweep and reverse. Like look at this. It's a sweep, instant pullback inside the candle, and reverse. This is like real manipulation of lows right here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oil is dropping. Maybe that's not a good sign. Yeah, I'm still on shorts. Like this is simulated account. I'm just taking the shorts as an educational thing, you know. I was trying to ride the EMAs. Like we got a sweep and reversed movement on the 1 minute, on the 2 minutes too, but on the 1 minute, we're now trading almost at the 5 minute 9 EMA. I'm going to try to add 2 more there, and the 1 minute should trade below the EMAs, like on the next candles. If it doesn't, it's probably doing higher lows and higher highs. That's the thing. Like, let me put a stop loss around here.
Order submitted.
Oh, this is not a
Order
stop
cancelled.
loss.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Like the next 1 minute, 2 minute candles should trade below the EMAs again. If they don't, it's just a higher high on the 1 minute, and it's the first sign of not first sign, it's the second sign of price changing sides. If I was trading my fundeds right here, right now, I would have gotten out of the trade. Because it's a sweep and reverse, this is a bottoming sign on the 1 minute. And like respecting the 21 and the 9 EMA like this, it's not a good thing in my opinion. If you look at the 2, it's just a pullback on the 21. This is the 2 minutes, it's just a pullback still. But I started my trade on the 1 minute, I have to guide it for in the 1 minute, you know? Like if this candle closes like green, I would get out if I was in my like funded account. This still can be just a higher low. Let's see if my ads hit. Like I'm trying to get 2 ads out at the 290, 291 area. There's a little bit of sellers. Let's see if it
Order
hits.
filled.
The first one hit.
Order
the second
filled.
one hit. Now I'm in a good trade.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
I put a
Order
stop
submitted.
loss. Let's see the 2 minutes. It's nicely going my way. Like yeah, on the 5 I needed this instant reverse, like reverse right here. Let's see if we can go for the lows of that news candle. Clear point of liquidity. Let's see. Yeah, big meaty. I don't know if you're like used to Ninja Trader, but whenever this right here is red, it means that I'm negative on the trade, not like negative on contracts. Like this is a -1, so I'm short at 1 micro right now. And if it's green, it's because I'm on a long position. Ooh, 4 likes away, guys. 4 likes away. Where's the 4 heroes? The 4 green profitable traders to hit the like button. Again, this is like a rejection of this level, 283. And as I said that I was going to try to ride this crossed DMAs forever. I'm going to like try to add
Order
one more
submitted.
here and one more
Order submitted.
here again. Like this is like I'm holding 1 micro for a directional trade,
Order filled.
and I'm trying to scalp
Order submitted.
inside my trade to get a better and better and better average, you know, and compound profits. Oh, I should have done one thing. Let me see. Studio mode. Control center. Okay. I guess that's it. Transition. Now you guys can see the P&L.
Order filled.
I re-entered 2 micros again at the EMAs. Let's see if they bounce again.
Order submitted.
But yeah, like the 3 times the buyer showed up at 280. This is not a good sign. Like this 5 minute, like he went down very heavily and found buyers again. This is a bullish signal in my opinion. I don't know if it's going to reverse all the way back up, but it at least can do a pullback, you know. And there's ways to track a pullback. One of them is to find a trend line to see where price may go. It usually matches the EMAs, you know. On the 5 minutes, the easiest way to track a pullback. Yeah, this is a bottom formation on the 2 minute. Yeah, this candle on the 1 is looking kind of clean. Oh, your 21 EMAs on the 295, you said, okay. Yeah, like the whole thesis of this trade is that I'm going to follow these 2 crossed EMAs on the 1 minute. That's the thesis of this trade. And I'm adding and getting out of contracts as close as possible to the 21 EMAs. I'm doing scalps of like 10 points on every ad, and every time that I do that, I'm compounding my profits. So right now, even if I get stopped out, like let's say around here or around here, I'm still green on my trade, you know, because of the amount of ads that I did. So let's say if you do this on New York session where price really moves, if you do this on New York session, if you find a directional EMA with the 1 minute and you add every time it gets inside of the 9 and the 21 and you compound profits and you hold 1 micro for the long run, like on a 100 points drop, you can make like a lot of money with 3 micros, you know, without risking much. That's the thing, without risking much. The real risk is only on the first ad or the second ad. Yeah, beloved, like to begin at the moment that London opens is too early for me. It's like 4 or 5 a.m. If I start, I cannot start the stream at like 5 a.m., 4 a.m. Like I'm starting the stream at 6:30 a.m. and that's already like 1 hour and a half into London session. Right now it's like almost every London session there's good trades to be made, even coming in a little late on the London session. Like driving like it's not making like the intention is not solely the sole intention is not to make money, you know. Like we're kind of doing this as a way to give you guys some type of entertainment, some type of company, you know. Like that's the main reason. If I only want to make money, I would trade the first 1 hour and a half of New York session and that's it. I wouldn't even open my charts anymore. Like I would open my charts for the first 1 to 2 hours of New York session. I would trade those 2 hours and I wouldn't even open my charts. So the Asia session streams and the London session streams, it's more like, let's say, educational, entertainment, to be a company for you guys. You guys can be a company to me, you know, that's it. But I appreciate our insight. I always say that, like, if you're really trying to be profitable trading NASDAQ, you should trade the 2 hours of New York session, and that's it. The first 2 hours of New York session, because where with one trade you can take like 50 points, 60 points easily, and that's it. You don't need anything more than that. Yeah, and today like it's even worse because London is closed, so there isn't the volume from London, you know. There's price action. The price action is hilarious though. Descending channel bear flag could literally go either way. Yeah, this can like there's like the volume is so like we saw on this candle right here. Like a little bit of volume drove price almost 100 points down. You know. So with the news, you know. So if any like medium size order comes in, it's going to drag price 100 points because there's no volume. Yeah, it's still trading on the like below the 21 on the 2 minutes. Like the sign, like look at the sign on the charts, like instantly got bought up at 280. Sweep and reversed at 280. Try to break the 280, instant reverse. So what is this showing me? That there's a lot of buyers here, you know. I'm holding the shorts because of the premise of the trade was that to trade in the favor of the 9 and 21 EMA. It's still making lower highs, but it's not making lower lows anymore. Like it's making lower highs, but it's not making lower lows, you know. Like that's a sign that you can like see on the charts. Yeah, and if it breaks right here, it's like market structure shift. So like
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I had one more on the 21 in the 2 minutes, but as I said, like it's looking like the market structure is shifting. Like it's already shifting on the 1 minute, now it's trying to shift on the 2 minutes, and so on, you know? Like it's a domino effect. Like if it's shifting here, it's probably going to go to the 21 EMA. We're probably going to see a bigger pullback, you know. Like if I was trading on the PAs right now, and I would have like this, I would have, and if I was in the same trade that I am right now, I would take a stop out at 312. That's what I would do. Because if price is going to 312, I will probably get a better entry, or if I decide that price is like really changing, really reversing to the upside, I would be out, you know. I don't want to see price making higher lows, rejecting 3 times the same level, and going against me, making higher highs. If I'm on a short, I don't want to see that against me, you know. I want to cut that trade out as fast as possible. Hi Leo, I always watch Pasha stream on New York session. I heard you all the time, never seen. Do you have your own stream or no? Like this is like my own stream. Like I stream like on Pasha's channel. I do like the Asia, like Sunday open with like Asia markets. Like we did a stream yesterday, it was a very nice stream. And I'm doing London session stream. And I drive the stream like close to where Pasha comes in to New York, and then we hop to Pasha stream, and that's it, you know. And it's a pleasure to do it, man. It's
Order
nice that
filled.
you're here. A little bit of volatility.
Order canceled.
Let's see if, like, it's kind of a range right now. Let's see if it breaks or if it goes to the bottom of the range. Israel just attacked petrochemical plant. Yeah. Israel closed all schools returning to Sunday. The market will try. Trading pennies. Good morning, my friend. Maybe some news again? Yeah, there's a really big chance it's going for the 21 EMA. Like, let's see if I can yeah, that's this trade is on a simulated account, guys. I'm going to see if I can crack, like, because as I said, like, now on the 5, it really looks like the price is going down. So I'm going to try to add
Order submitted.
2 micros around the 21 EMA of the 5 minute, and that's my whole stop out of the trade, because if it inverses the 21 EMA on the 5 and if it breaks this trend line right here, this is like a continuation, you know, for a new push to the high side. And it's kind of respecting this little range right here that is farming on the 5. Again, for anyone that's coming in, this is not my funded accounts. Oh my god, my webcam is annoying me. This is not my funded accounts. This is educational purposes only. Like London session, like London Stock Exchange is not open, so there's not the volume, there's like not the movement that we like to trade. So I'm just doing this because otherwise I would be like sitting on my funded right here, not taking any trades. So it's best like to do something. Let's try to add a little bit around the 21 EMA on the 5 to see if it's going to do a pullback there and reject down. But as I said, like I was talking earlier, the first signs of trend reversing is going to be shown on the 1 minute. You know, 3 times rejection on the 280 level, didn't break. It's breaking highs now. This is kind of a little uptrend on the 1 minute. So this is showing that there's buyers. Like we just did the crossover on the 21 minute. With this crossover right here, I should be getting out of the trade because the premise was to ride this cross over DMAs as much as I can. Now that it crossed to the upside again, that trade doesn't exist anymore. But we are seeing that on the 5 minutes, it's still crossover to the downside, and I'm trying to extend this trade. And I'm basing my trade off of this 9 and 21 right now. That's the thing. Trading pennies, that's new news. Okay. That was like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, we're now retesting the 21 EMA on the 15 minutes. Just broke to the downside. If the next 15 minute close red, the 9 EMA will probably be crossing over to the downside here. on the 2 is like higher lows, higher highs right now. The structure shifted to the upside. Higher lows, higher highs.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yes, Saravan. Maybe I get a cup of coffee. Are we going to be negative today? From the looks of it, should be a green after today until military speech. The military speech is tomorrow, or is it today? It's tomorrow. I thought it was today. It's today, man. 1 o'clock. Am I wrong? What is wrong? On financial juice? Yeah. It's today, 1 p.m. on my time. I think if it's 1 p.m. my time, it's like 12 p.m. It's noon, New York City, New York session time. Oh, you guys hit the 50 likes. Let's go for the 100 likes now, guys, on the stream. Let's see if we can push. We need 44 brave soldiers, brave traders, profitable traders to hit the like button right now. That's what we need. If you're appreciating this slow market, and if you're like sad for me that I'm trading this slow market right here, like, it's a good comfort to see some likes. Sorry if I'm making weird sounds.
Order filled.
Nice, still respecting the EMAs. Let's see on the 5. Let's see if it goes for the lower of this range right here. Done learns. I really appreciate you, Leo. You're doing great and you're helping me out a lot. Nice, man. I'm glad that too. I'm really happy when I hear that. Like, if I can like make someone improve like 10%, 5%, if I give you an insight that like saves you from a bad trade, it's already awesome, you know. Like we always say that, like, I'm not the best trader in the world. I don't pretend to be. I don't pretend to be making like $100,000 of fake money right here. I'm just trying to like give you guys entertainment, a little bit of company, and you guys give me that back, you know, the company. Because if I am streaming but nobody talks to me on the chat, like, I'm going to be like talking to the wall, you know. And for people that don't talk on the chat, but you're here listening, that's awesome too. You're helping with positive exposure. You're new to this, but the more exposure you move on. Yeah, then that's the thing. That's the intention. It's not about the gains, it's about the friends we make along the way. Yeah, like it's basically that. How low do you think it will go, Wilker? Brother, I'm going for the sweep of this news candle right here. Like right now, like the premise of this trade is that I'm going to trade the 9 and the 21 EMA on the 5. And I'm going to try to ride it. To be honest, I could have taken out this contract at 92 right here. But I'm going to ride it. If it comes to the 21 EMA and this trend line right here, that's the best place to add contracts. Because that's that is the point, that if it breaks, I'm going to stop out this trade. So guess what? Like the best place for you to add contracts to your trade, it's close to where you're going to stop out. Because if you're wrong, you're wrong very quickly, and you're wrong very low. You risk very little for being wrong, you know. And if you're right, you have the biggest upside. And until it doesn't break the 21 EMA, guess what? Price is going down. Like price will only go up if it breaks the 21 EMA. And if it breaks, I'm getting out. Yeah, I've been trading for 10 years, brother, and I've been a full-time trader since the middle of 2018. I don't have a stop loss on the screen, guys. Like if something...
Order submitted.
Now I have a stop loss on the screen. No way, you're still live? Bro, I'm live from since yesterday, man. Like it's 15-hour stream right now. Going strong. Who's with me for the last 15 hours? Trading Penny's been here for 15 hours straight, bro. We're doing 24-hour stream right now. If you don't hit the like button for that, man, I don't know for what else you will hit. That's the truth. Dan is here from Sunday Open, yeah. Sniping candles. Good morning, my friend. Dan is here from Sunday Open. Bom dia. Good morning. Bom dia for you too, man. Why y'all trade? I'm trying to quit my job and get into acting school. Yeah, good luck with that, man. If you become like some Ryan Gosling or something, like remember us, give us a shout out on your Oscar night. Higher low again, guys. This is going to the 21 EMA. Yeah, beloved, like, I'm a little old right now. But it's all like, so it's kind of foggy, my memories, but I started trading in 2016. I sucked for more than 1.5 years. I started doing well. I thought that I was doing well at the start of 2018. So 2 years after. And I am full-time trading since August 2018. It's when I got out of my job. So almost 3 years after I started. And it had ups and downs along the way, but I survived. So I think basically 7 years, almost 8 years. Your 60-year-old grandmother? Yeah, I told you that, like, you already won at life. Like, if I get to 60 years old
Order
with
filled.
grandchildren, I've won, you know? I would be more than blessed. Mert, I'm a civil engineer, Mert. Like my school, like, how do you guys say that? My graduation, I'm a civil engineer. Trading pennies, now that is a good goal. Yeah, bro. For me to get grandchildren, for real, I have to get children first. Like, that's the
Order
thing.
submitted.
I just add one at the 21, didn't got the others. That's sad, but I'm going to try to get that out with 10 points. 307. Let's see if he hits.
Order filled.
He hit it. Like, we're still like surviving this trade. I'm just trying to manage the best I can. If it goes my way, I have the best entry possible.
Order cancelled. Order submitted.
You began today needing 1,000. Now you only need 500. Nice. Don't do like FEMA. FEMA, I told FEMA he was 80 bucks from passing his account. I told him, like, bro, now is not the time to keep trading, and he kept trading. But he got another account, and he went like 1,000 bucks up. Daily day trade, out of those 10 years trading, what's the number one rule that you think makes a profitable trader? Brother, the number one rule is to protect your capital, protect your account. That's it. Like, you're never missing out on a trade. Like, if you don't take a trade, that means that you are not risking your account, you are not risking your money. Like, the number one rule, the second and the third rule is to protect your capital at all costs. And when I take trades, that's what I try to do. If I get in and out of a trade in 30 seconds, to me is great, because I got in, got out, got my profits, and I protected my capital. I was exposed to the markets for 30 seconds, you know? And I know that sometimes that's not the most profitable way to engage. Like, If you open a 20 micro, like 2 minutes, 5 minutes trade and you let it ride forever, maybe that's mega profitable, but I don't know like if that protects your capital very well. Basically is accept your losses, cut your losses very quickly, and try to have the biggest wins as possible, you know. Yeah, bro, like if you're playing football, if you lose your ball, if you lose like your cleats, you just buy another. It's not that cheap, you can continue playing. If you're playing golf and you lose like 10 balls in a row, you just buy another. It's very cheap, you can continue playing. If you lose your capital, if you lose your accounts for people that trade prop firms, if you lose it all, you cannot just buy another. Like on prop firms, I guess you can just buy again and again and again. That's the good side of it. But on cash accounts, if you lose your capital, you're done. You're out of the game. Like you have to earn money somewhere to try to put it all in the back in the game, you know. So to protect capital is the number one rule. The number 1, 2, and 3 rule. You should never be exposed in a trade that can take you out of the game. Capital is your resource, like it's your commodity. Yeah, if a trade is going against you, you have to cut that out. Don't be afraid to cut that out. There's always the next trade for you to take. There's always the next trade. There's always tomorrow. Markets are going to open with or without you. Like if you preserve your capital and wait for the next day, the markets will be there for you to take trades and make money. But if you lose it all, like the markets will open without you the same way. The markets doesn't care about what happens to you. If you trade in cash accounts, if you trade in prop firms, I always say that's the best part. Like you can be reckless trading prop firms and you just buy another eval and you go about your day, you know, get another funded and that's it. That's the beauty of prop firms. But if you're trading your cash account, if you're doing investments on your own, you have to be mega careful. Mega careful. I'm not as profitable, but I only trade stocks, protect my capital long term. If I buy and trade to top 5 tech, yeah. I'm a plat, had to learn risk management the hard way, blew through like 10 accounts before my first payout. Yeah, brother, I'm a plat, like I was an experienced trader, and when I came to prop firms trading, it took me almost a year to get a payout. I just did not understood like the concept. I was like, for the first 6 months, I was like just playing with prop firms. But then when I really start taking it serious, it took me like 6 months to get a payout. And I still struggle, you know, Like I'm not like, what I want to do this year is to get like, what Pasha is doing, you know. But for me, it's expensive to do that. You know, for me to get like 25, 30 accounts, it's mega expensive. Like for my, it's a huge amount of money for me. Like $4,000 to $5,000 for me to spend only on prop firms in a month. It's a massive amount of money. Massive amount of money for me. So I need to take it slow, but my intention is to get to 25, 30 accounts by the end of the year, and I'll like try to get them like 5 accounts a month, 10 accounts a month, and see if I can keep them, you know. 12K in payout so far. You're doing good. Like the thing about props is that at some point you start taking the payouts and reinvesting into the prop firms for you to get more accounts and more payouts. That's it. Like if you keep your cool and if you keep being consistent, you know. And you don't need to be consistent forever. If you go on good runs, I always say that. If you go on a 2-month run of being like trading good, compounding profits, you get like a lot of payouts. And if you get like 2 weeks of bad trading, just like reset yourself and go on a next 2 months, 3 months run of good profitable trading, and you get a lot of payouts again. And if you use code Pasha, that's like a mega buff in your prop firm profitability. It's like insta mega buff. True story. You learn more from holding cash, yeah. You've been running 2 for the longest time? Yeah, I want to finish April with at least 500s, like constantly. I don't want to trade less than that anymore. I'm actually messing around. I'm just not like, I'm not with the foot on the gas right now because I'm going to travel. I'm going to take a little vacation, and like I've said yesterday, like I don't want to like start the vacation like being reckless trading, you know. So I'm taking it slow, and when I come back, I like it's full, like it's on the gas, like pedal to the metal. I don't know how guys say it, like, but like full gas again. Trade C app, are you liking that? I didn't see that. Yeah, I'm only trading Apex and Take Profit Trader right now. I want to get like my funded futures rules are, man, it's awesome rules, to be honest. And for the first time users, like you have 50% discount, or like if you didn't buy any accounts for like a long time, you get 50% discount on my funded futures. I'm taking this out right here. And the rules are good. The accounts are not that expensive because of the discount with code Pasha, and I really like my funded futures rules right now. I want to get like 5 of them, 5 with TPT and at least 10 with Apex. That's what I want to do, like before the half of the year passes, because it's like, it's when you trade a lot of accounts, you can just take it slow, and when you get the payout, you get a massive payout, you know. The My Funded Futures Rapid is like the Take Profit Trader account, but with 90-10 profit split, yeah, basically. And I think it's almost the same price, or if you get with the 50% discount, it's even cheaper. Apex was the first 2K, but personally the firm wasn't the best for me. Yeah, like I always say that for some people, Apex will fit perfectly. Maybe not now, maybe later down in the road, but it will fit perfectly because it's 20 accounts, man, you know. For some people, Take Profit Trader is the best, or My Funded Future is the best, or this and that is the best, you know. Brother, I'm with Pasha. I think, like, overall, I think the indexes need correction. I think they need like a bear market. That's what I think. Yeah, my plan. Intraday trading is something that you have to get used to, have to learn how to deal with it. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I'm trying to ride this short, but like this little flag right here is playing. Like here on the like 21 EMA, just add one. Like if it had added, it's two. Oh my god. If I got the 2 contracts added, like this trade was
Order
going to be
canceled. Order
massive win.
canceled.
Sometimes the words,
Order
man.
canceled.
Brother, to speak another language for the amount of time that I'm doing,
Order submitted.
like sometimes it's messes with your head. Big belly, I'm having most success with accounts that need benchmark days and no buffer to pay out. Keeps me most consistent, just going for 200 a day on 5 accounts, maybe over 10k payouts in March. Big, beautiful, yeah. Yeah, there's one type of account on my funded futures that you can withdraw inside the buffer. I think it's the pro account. You can take payouts even if you're not above the buffer. And some of them you have daily payouts, some of them is payouts every 5 days. You have 3 types of accounts on my funded futures. You think S&P is going to hit 5k before going up? Yeah, personal opinion, it's valid. It's possible. It's very possible. Let me look at the daily, weekly chart. Yeah, 5k is lower than COVID days. Don't know, man. $5k is too much. Like from all-time highs, we went minus 10% from all-time highs. Bear market starts at minus 20%, so 5,672 is where like the real bear market starts. On COVID, we dipped inside a bear market. We went like minus 22, 21 and a half and reversed, V-shape recovered. One second, guys. I'm back. Market has been quite resilient. Yeah, I think that also.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, instant rejection. Let's see. They're sellers. Okay. Does it break? Does it break? Like this chart right here on the 1 minute must be a mess. Let's see. Oof, look at this. We better managing this trade on the 5. Can we push to 100 likes? I don't believe. Like we're at 73 right now. Yesterday we got like just 260 likes. It was insane. At some point we have more likes than viewers. I just need a pump today so I can get out before Tuesday deadline. Yeah, the Tuesday deadline. Yeah, today and tomorrow, man, it's going to be like probably a very strange day for trading. I hope there's like high volatility, but prices, it's moving, like it's not ranging a lot. If it's ranging a lot, I don't like that, man. Yeah, London session, guys, today was kind of uneventful. Like if we discount this big news candle right here, that we were on a trade, like we were short at 345, man. We got the 40 points down. was kind of funny. Well, I was talking with Split Striker, like it was making lower highs, EMAs crossed, and we kept going down after the news. Like we just kept doing what we was going to do around here. One hour into this trade, and we went nowhere near of getting stopped out. We just like put some profits inside with the little scalps that we did. Let's see if I can add more on the 21. Yeah, Pasha is probably almost coming in. Like his stream is scheduled to start at 9:30 my time. 9:30 my time is 13 minutes from now. I'll probably end the stream 5 minutes before he starts, just to be like sure that we don't overlap. And I think you guys will be redirect instantly. You just keep on the stream, stay here on the same stream, and you guys will jump to that. Yeah, I think like he's starting his stream 9:30. My time is 8:30 New York session. He'll probably be on the stream for some minutes, and then he'll probably head off. You know, I think that's why he's starting earlier. My opinion, I don't know that for sure. But he'll be here for at least some minutes to talk to you guys probably. Don't quote me on that, but maybe. Yeah, with London markets closed, like the London stream was like kind of uneventful. Although like on the London hours, it gave all this push up right here. We just wasn't here, of course. I was sleeping. It's kind of breaking this trend line right here. Here's gonna be me 2 a.m. when Trump will talk, so I'm gonna... Oh, Drax, it's 2 a.m. for you, man. Yeah. He'll start speaking 4 hours from now, 3.5 hours from now. Didn't get my
Order
ads.
canceled.
Did not got my ads, man. A little sellers again showed up. Does it break? Does it break? Now is the time. Ooh, a lot of sellers. A lot of sellers. Don't stop, don't stop. Trump tweet, Trump tweet, Trump. Yeah, the buyer showed up. I'm putting the stop above this 5-minute candle. 80 likes, guys. Nice, thank you. Yeah, today is very promising on New York session. There's not much going on, man. I'm just enjoying the music right now. Man, I'm on this trade for the last 1 hour. Market is really going nowhere. It's really going nowhere. Buyers? Are they going to stop me out? Are we going to come to an end of this educational trade? For the premise of this trade, I should only stop out if it closes above the 21 EMA. We were trying to ride the 9 and the 21 cross to the downside. We started on the 1, changed it to the 2 minutes, and then changed it to the 5. And on the 5 minute, if it really breaks above the 21, that's it. You know, you gotta get out. And we got some nice ads, some nice scalps. And even if I get like stopped out at break even, I'm really green on this trade, you know. And I only traded like 1 to 3 micros at all times, without risking much, you know. It was kind of it. Yeah, guys, I think that's it. I'm going to close the stream. Pasha will probably start his stream anytime soon. If you guys just stay here, if you don't close your tab, you're going to be redirected to Pasha's stream, and you can just wait there, and I will be there too. Like, let's see if this let's see if this trade gets taken out. I don't think so. But thank you all that came. London, like, there was no London session basically. London Stock Exchange didn't open today. It was a holiday, bank holiday. So not much volume, not much volatility. The only big candle was this news candle right here. The trades we took was to the short side. We tried to ride this 9 and 21 EMA. Thank you, Janus. What's up, Janus? I'm almost ending the stream, and you guys will get redirect to Pasha's stream right now. Daily, thank you for coming. Nives, valeu, man. Valeu. Thank you. Roger that. Okay. I think that's it, guys. Just stay here, and you guys will get redirect to Pasha stream. Thank you all again. You guys are awesome. Sunday stream was awesome. London stream was awesome. See you guys in a bit on New York session.